Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. So let's start our today's video, and today our subject is English. Okay, today our subject is English, and here we have letter S. Letter S. Okay, S. Repeat after me. We repeat it at 5 times. S. 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 Very good. So here we have capital S and here we have lowercase s. Okay. Capital S, small s. Capital S, lowercase s. Good. Now what's the sound of S? What's the sound of S? The sound of S is S. The sound of S is S. Repeat after me, okay? S. 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 Very good. Okay? Letter S and the sound of S is S. S. What's this? It is in our stationery box. S. Sharpener. S. Sharpener. S. Sharpener. Very good. S. Sharpener. Very good. Next. Oh wow. What's this? S. Swan. S. Swan. S. Swan. S. Swan. S. Swan. Very good. Next. S. Screw. S. Screw. S. Screw. S. Screw. Very good. You are so wonderful. Now we revise our lesson. What's this? Tell me. What's this? Very good. S. Letter S. Capital S and here we have lowercase s. Okay? Capital S, lowercase s. And what's the sound of S? What's the sound of S? The sound of S is S. The sound of S is S. The sound of S is S. Very good. Now S. What's this? S. Very good. S. Sharpener. S. Sharpener. S. Sharpener. S. Sharpener. Next. S. What's this? S. Swan. S. Swan. S. Swan. Great. Now next. S. What's this? S. Screw. S. Screw. S. Screw. S. Screw. Very good. Now it's your turn. Okay? अब मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, आपने मुझे बताना है. ठीक है? Now tell me, what's this? ये क्या है? What's this? Very good. You are so wonderful. S. Okay? Letter S. Capital S, small s. Capital S, lowercase s. And S. What's this? Tell me. S. Brilliant. You are so wonderful. S. Sharpener. S a sharpener. S a sharpener. Good. Now next. What's this? Tell me. S a. What's this? S a. Louder. Great. S a swan. S a swan. S a swan. Very good. Next. S a. What's this? S a. Yes. What? Great. S a screw. S a screw. S a screw. Great work. You are so wonderful. Now our lesson is over. We will meet in our next lesson. और तब तक आपको पता है ना आपने क्या करना है? तब तक आपने अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखना है, अपनी मम्मा की बात माननी है, अपना लेसन घर पर रिवाइज करते रहना है और सबके साथ अच्छा अच्छा बन के रहना है, ठीक है? सबकी बात माननी है, बड़ों से प्यार करना है, छोटों से प्यार करना है। ओके, हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज। गॉड ब्लेस यू। स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम, स्टे ब्लेस्ड। बाय।